Today our topic is denotation and connotation. First we will start with denotation. In a widespread literary usage, the denotation of a word is its primary signification or reference. It is the precise literal meaning of a word without emotional association and overtones. Therefore, it is the most literal meaning of a word, regardless of what one may feel about it or the suggestions and ideas it connotes. Now, for example, if I tell you the word gold, what does it mean to you, or what do you understand by this word? Its denotative meaning is precisely a malleable, ductile, trivalent, yellow, metallic element. But it may also suggest riches, power, and greed. So, when it is denotation, it is the literal meaning of a word or the dictionary meaning or a direct specific meaning as distinct from an implied or associated idea. One more example for you. The family sat together in front of a warm fire. The denotative or literal interpretation of warm, that is nearly hot, or it is talking about the actual temperature. But when it is connotation, the connotation of a word is the range of secondary or associated significations, images, impression, and feelings which it commonly suggests or implies. The connotation of a word is only a potential range of secondary significations. Which parts of these connotations are evoked depends on the way the word is used in a particular context. The same example we can take it again. The family sat together in front of a warm fire. The connotative or the figurative interpretation of warm here, that is comforting, friendly, that is the mood or the tone. So, what is the distinction between connotation and denotation? It is commonly associated with the philosopher John Stuart Mill. Though it is much older, it is mentioned to reflect the different ways in which a common name may be significant. The connotation of the name is the attribute or the attributes implied by the name. The denotation of the name is any object to which the name applies. So, if I give you few more examples, then it will be very easier for you to understand. So, take the word home. Home denotes the house where one lives, but connotes privacy, intimacy, and coziness. That is the real reason, or the real estate agents like to use home instead of house in their advertisement. Now next, snake. What does it mean? Denotation, scaly, legless reptile. But the connotation is dangerous, evil, disloyal person. Mother, what is the denotation? Female parent. But connotation, that is the love, respect, security, and warmth. So, here also you can see scientists attempt to hold the words to their precise meaning. Writers, especially poets, rely on connotations to evoke responses in their readers. Poems typically establish context that bring into play some part of the connotative as well as denotative meaning of the words. If I talk about the poem Virtue written by George Herbert, and the famous line, sweet day, so cool, so calm, so bright, the bridal of the earth and sky. The denotation of bridal. What is the denotation? A union between two human beings. Serve as part of the ground for applying the word as a metaphor to the union of earth and sky. but the specific poetic context in which the word occurs also evokes such connotations of bridal, a sacred, joyous, and ceremonial. In the literary text, use of image, symbol, and various kinds of figure of speech depends on the play of denotation and connotation. So I hope you have understood